Good morning, Bart. You are here talking to us about your workshop upcoming at Agile Day Konas on the 12th of May. And I'm super excited to have another Dutch speaker. We'll be speaking English, of course, at the event. The first thing I'm curious about, Bart, who are you? How might people know you? What do you do in life?
Well, in life, I am currently COO at Weenie, which is a Belgium-based design and development studio. And people might know me from a book I wrote, I think 8 years ago, The Agile Agency. And that's a bit my background. I spent, I think, 10 years in advertising agencies. Which is a bit a typical entry into the world of Agile. But that's where it started. And after those ad agencies, I did a lot of work for a public broadcaster in Belgium called VRT. And now I think, and the thing is, people might know me because next to the book, I also blogged a lot about Agile in advertising, but also Agile in general. I've been teaching guest lectures at almost every Belgian school for the last 10 years about Agile or project management. So I've got this big evangelizing thing. I'm so happy since the day I discovered Agile that I constantly want to tell people about the value it will bring to their life.
That is a great entry point. Now we know that Agile Day Konas will be a very participative event, so lots of workshops, things to do together with an open space. You have a workshop slot. Can you tell us a little bit about the title of your workshop and what it's about?
Well, it's about design thinking being a superpower. So design thinking is an approach that comes from product development, and it has a lot of interesting similarities with ideas and principles inside Agile. And I had the privilege to use it as a framework on numerous occasions, and also made a really nice case at the public broadcaster using design thinking as a framework. So that's a bit the starting point. And what I want to achieve with the workshop is to make people experience what it is to sit inside the design thinking process and to experience what can be the value when you add it on top of your Agile practices.
Excellent. Is it something that we need to prepare for? Do we need to bring materials or experience? What do you need to get started?
The fun thing is because I want to add a maximum of interactivity that people have to pre-register for this session. So they pre-register, I think, 72 hours in advance, and then they receive instructions. And they have to do something before the actual session starts. I'm not going to say what, because that would spoil a bit, but they're going to have to do something which allows them to deep dive into the process a bit better before going into the actual session on the Agile Day.
Whoa. So the fun already starts before the event itself.
It is so exciting.
Very cool. Super nice. Cool. So thank you for getting us into the mood for the design thinking workshop. Super nice. People will be able to sign up beforehand. And then we will see you on May the 12th virtually in Konas.
Cool.
Thanks, Bart.
Thank you.